Hey, this is Lars Pearson here with MarineMax Ship Bottom, New Jersey. I'm standing on the back of a new 2024 Sea Ray 210 SPX. Nice shot of the cockpit. Sun pad. It's got a nice lounger here. Just flip that down when you don't want it. Black 200 Mercury Verado. Nice new grill accents on this. Same engine, just different grill accents than usual. Sea deck on the swim platform and walk-through. Infinity woven vinyl flooring. Nice 3-position lounger. Sit facing forward or facing back, or it goes completely flat there. Makes a whole bench seat. Wraparound seating here. Storage for a removable cooler that comes with the boat. And then this is a nice cooler space that's molded in. So on this 210, with an outboard, you also have this huge storage area. I just have the canvas thrown in there and a bow filler cushion, and then your power steering pump's back there. So with the 200, you get power steering, nice wakeboard arch, see a tow point up there, and you also have a ski tow bar, tube tow bar right there as well. Bimini top will extend and open over the arch. Helm seat that swivels, goes forward and back. Also has a thigh rise bolster. Got a nice Simrad screen, got your electronics for your engine integrated. Locking glove box, awesome if you go to a restaurant or something and don't want to carry something inside, like purses, wallets, all that sort of thing. And then nice storage in here. Bow storage under the seats. It's a great spot for bags, towels, nice dry storage. Can sit back and lounge. Speakers up front too. Grab bars up here, and then your bow filler cushion will go right where I'm standing. Make this a nice lounging area, great for kids. And then of course your dedicated anchor storage. So guys, this has been the 210 SPX here. We haven't Ship Bottom. Give us a call, 609-494-2102. Thanks.